Whoa guys, I'm a mess right now. My head is like throbbing and I don't know why, but we're just gonna push through. Hey guys, I'm back. First video of 2020. I meant to only take 2 weeks off, but then I took 3 weeks off. I'm not gonna lie to you. I meant to take a week off for Christmas and New Year's, but then it came time for that third week and it was time to make a video and I fully blanked and I did not know what to do. I had no ideas and my camera's about to die. Okay, I'm back. I want to make this video pretty quick because I'm forcing myself to make this video before I take a shower, and I really need to take a shower and my head hurts and my contacts are still in and they're really bothering me.
That's how I animate myself.
I'm just gonna jump right into this video. I'm representing my college right now with my sweatshirt. It's very comfortable. I'm just gonna talk about my school for just a couple minutes, just to get us started off with the new year. It's January, okay? It is two things: the start of a new semester and my birth month. I am still a freshman in college, but I am a second semester freshman in college, and I have been taking online classes. Taking classes online has really just been amazing for me, for my lifestyle, because it's like super flexible and I can just basically decide whenever I want to do any of my work. I wanted this video to be kind of like a review of like what online community college is like, kind of, and to see maybe if somebody's trying to see if it's for them. Here's that video for you. I'm not going to act like I'm an expert. I am going to tell you what my experience was like after doing 1 semester of online college. I am a business student at Lone Star College in Texas. Having my classes online was really important to me because I wanted to have that flexibility and I wanted to basically be able to plan my week. I didn't want to have to plan my week around classes. I didn't want to have to worry about being late to classes and going to the right room or whatever. And you know, I was looking for a change from high school and just normal school that I've been going to all my life, and I feel like online college is the perfect escape from normal school because I'm still getting the education that I need, but I'm not having to go spend all day in a classroom, you know, wasting some of my time just doing nothing, because that is most of what happens in class. So that's one good thing about online college, is that you can basically just like plan your schedule and you can plan your classes and your assignments around your life rather than the other way around. And I just really like to be able to make plans and not have to, you know, worry about missing class or worry about, oh, I can't go because I have class. So that is really cool. Another thing about online college is that it cuts out a lot of the dead space. It cuts the fat right off of your education, and you're only getting what you need, because you're supposed to get a degree in 2 years, so it's basically just like giving you only the essentials, and that is one of the things I love about it. There's no going into class and doing busy work and doing little worksheets and having to sit in class waiting for other people to finish an assignment. It's basically, it's every man for themselves, basically. Like, you can ask for help, you can, you know, connect with other students through the chat room, or you can try to start like a group chat with other students, and that is helpful. But if you really like learning on your own, online college is a holy grail for that. One tip that I am going to bring to the table about online college is having a planner. This is my planner, and I've used it religiously, and I just literally picked this up from the store, and it doesn't have to be anything special. The main things that I focus on is it has a calendar that you can like mark dates on. I know what you're thinking. A lot of people say use a planner, and you're just like, I'm not going to use a planner, I'm never going to look in it, but I promise you, you will look in it, because this is the only thing that is telling you when assignments are due, other than going on and trying to juggle all these different classes online. So basically at the beginning of every week, I just go through and look at what's going to be due that week and what kind of assignments and chapters I'm looking at. And I basically have all of my classes color coded, and I just go through and just schedule when I'm going to do something based around my personal schedule. At the beginning of every week, there's always, every class has the week's assignments and PowerPoints and everything, and basically it's just like have it done by Sunday night. So you basically just have all week to just get all of the stuff done at your discretion, which is, I love it. This is great because I really get to custom make my schedule around what's going on in my personal life, which is amazing. But I just write it all out at the beginning of the week on each day, and then every day I just go into my little office area and I just do what is scheduled for that day. And maybe some days I feel like doing more, some days I feel like doing less. Sometimes I'm just like, I don't feel like doing any of that today, and I just won't, and I'll put it off to the next day, and I'll just spread it out until the end of the week because I have all week to get it done. But it's the fact that it's up to me to figure out when I get it done and how is just really freeing to me, and I love to feel that independence. And I think that's something that everybody wants after high school. Like, the biggest reason a planner is super important is because on online school, there's no one, you're not going into class every day and there's no one telling you, make sure you have this done, it's due that day. There's no one telling you that over and over again. It is only your responsibility to know when everything's supposed to be done and for you to figure out how you're going to get it done. I'm not trying to scare people away from online classes. It's less scary and it's more freeing. At first, I really didn't know what to expect, but after like a week or so, I fully got it under control and I understood perfectly what was going on, and I stuck to my planner and I just took everything step by step, and it was super easy. Now, I'm sorry if this video was all over the place. I can feel my heartbeat in my skull. Let me know if you guys want another more in-depth or more detailed video about school, online college, from the perspective of a freshman. In the future, if you guys want me to do videos on specific topics about school or about my specific major, which is business administration with a specialization in management, totally feel free to comment or check out my Instagram. Comment on there and let me know. If you would like to, make sure to leave a like on this video. It really means a lot because it tells YouTube that this is a good video and that they should show it to more people. So even if you didn't like this video or you didn't find it helpful, maybe someone else might. So help them find it and give this video a like, please. And also, if you feel so inclined, maybe think about subscribing. I make videos every week except for during the holidays. I take a break. But I make videos every week about a bunch of different types of things, about my hobbies, about school, about hair, makeup, anything that a teenage or young adult girl could care about. I don't know why I'm still talking. My head hurts really bad. So I'll see you guys next week.